Nayo intang may pag-abot. Video na. Adi ay.
Ato sa tarong mo.
Gan. Naganan kayo na siya mo anha dira. Ako magpitsagingan ram. Pwede ra magyud ka magbakasyon dito ram. Ako dili ko pwede magbakasyon og dugay. Ikaw jud ka pwede. Look at my face. Ano? Dito ko na namin ako.
Hi, Akira.
O, picture mo, Vera, o.
Mag-send kami picture ninyo na mag-arrange kami sa mga kuhaan. Okay. Hindi ko kayo Hoy, Driel, ali Driel. Ayaw,
Ano ka rin ka papasmile?
ayaw, dira, tunga. Dali ka ulikod lang.
Ama, ginoo ko nakulaan ko na.
Daghan man mo assist.
Ba?
Tara ako, Kuya Driel, oh.
Halika!
Kuya Driel, oh. Tara, oh. Halika. Upos na puti sa'yo. Barag.
Halika!
Audrey.
Anika. 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 Tiki tiki tiki. Tiki tiki tiki.
Ipatong ta sa dito. Hindi ko pwede ako. Hindi ko. Asa siya mutanaw.
Chill. Balik ang tao. Balik din ang tisa. Kita na ang magtao.
Ni.
Mas ano mo kasi makuha?
Sus, napuno ka ikaw, sad. Wala na.
Nathaniel. 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 Picturing. Picture. Picturing. Oy, wala kayo mo. There you get chill.
Anika.
Kapit na mag-3. 9 minutes na lang. Gusto mo siyang music, karang di na siya makuhaan. Asa na siya? Wala ko sa inyo.
Pwede lang siya tama na.
Hello, my test, Charla. Asa na siya? Hindi na siguro magsugod. Anika! Happy birthday, Anika! Ako na-shock na siya. Nasa sa state of shock. So, Anika, your hosts are not here yet. So, we're gonna have to wait for 9 more minutes because I think we're gonna start our program in 8 minutes. Happy birthday, Anika! How old are you? How old? How old are you? Anika! Tara ah. Maghuwang siya sa cellphone? Ako na ko cellphone. Ay, makasal na siya. O niya? Usa ko niya ako sa manawag siya, mga isang purpose niya sa phone. Mukha na siya sa internet. Umusa ka lang dahil siya dali. Basta ka siya, doon siya makakita. Nagamit ako sa internet kaya nag-live ko. Ate, api lang sa nasa nag-live pa buhay lang ako nagamit siya sa internet. Internet siya. Nag-live ko doon. Inara. So today we're gonna interview our birthday. Anika? Hi, Apu!
Yum lagi daw ang cake. Yum.
Ate.
Peekaboo! Madali. Kuya eh.
Bloated.
Anika!
Anika! How old are you? How old are you? Luya sa baby. Diyos ko, sige na kagiatan niya. Ganahan na ka magiatan.
Nika!
Oh, Rafael, you're gonna sing a happy birthday song to your sister. Rafael.
Kadiyot lang.
Nick! Nick, ikaw po na siya lingkod, Nick!
Nick. Sabi ako. Come on, kid. That's your kid. Happy birthday, Anika Rai. Happy birthday, Anika Rai. Si Ate Vera, oh, ano na? Grata si Ate Vera. Kamu kinuha ko ano? Happy birthday. Ano ba naman? Ano ki-off siya? Ari na sa nga view. Aldo, nag-iata naman.
Ang dali na ito yung mag-gold, babe.
Sige na, di mo asa yung nagban?
Happy birthday, Alfred! Gusto ka naman ako pa rin, sana?
Picture mo yan.
Oh, picture.
Di ba tingin yung brown eh? Hello!
Apo, mag-picture pa ako.
Mag-picture daan kay para...
Fairy ka ako. Are you a fairy? Ay, later ka. Picture pa man.
Asan to, Driel? Driel! Tawag ko, Driel. Tawag ko, Driel. Very good.
Happy birthday!
Suko mo ni Mutintas.
Kaya ka, picture pa man. Picture
Tawag ka sa
pa.
Driel. Lagi ang picture sa picture.
Kami na naman.
Sige. 3, 2, 1, smile.
Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Bate, 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 bate.
Wala.
Dali, dali, dali.
Wala ka na siya.
Peekaboo!
Kamu? Or wala ko? Ay, play mo camera button dali dayo.
Anika wa.
Kita mo tabi mo camera button. Hindi ko na siya makuhaan dahil.
Ako to, wala lagi. Ay, nanawa. Na-PPO.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, smile.
Santa Gaga.
3, 2, 1, smile.
Anika wa. Anika pika. Anika. Anika.
Ito ba ito? Sit ka diya, Rafael.
Anika pika.
3, 2,
Anika pika mo. Anika pika mo. Ah, puso.
Yan, alit. Ade, Ito na siya. Only my little princess. You are my little princess. Say hi to our live feed. Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Anika Rai. How old are you? Apo, how old are you? Wala na sumunod. Duka na, Bash. Duka na, Apo. Hi, everybody. My name is Anika Rai. Happy birthday, Anika Rai. Ano kasi mo decorations ako? Ano kayo mo decoration? You like your decoration? So you have a lot of stuff here. Hello, everybody, and thank you for coming to Anika Rai's first birthday bash. Yay! So our hosts for today are not available yet.
I will take care of them.
You will take care of the baby princess. So sa matabas. So for today, while waiting for the other guests, wala na niya itong host. One of our hosts, introduce yourself to everybody. Your name is?
Aloysius.
Aloysius. And your nickname is? You say hi to everybody sa on.
Hello everyone. Ako po si Kuya.
Wala pa, nagkuhan pa siya. Nagbiyahe pa siya. Ito na itong little prince. Ay, unya na rin ito mag-host. So for today, while waiting for the rest of our visitors, my dear princess. Ano ba ka, my dear princess? We're gonna have a little trivia. And also, bring me games. Kana lang sa daw itong mga games for today because the space is not giving. So I think everybody's aware that we're here right now to celebrate Annika's birthday. Although this is not yet Annika's birthday because the first trivia question is, what date is Annika's birthday? Who can give me an answer? Go! What date is Annika's birthday? Very good. We have a winner. Si Kuya Daniel is our first winner for our first trivia question. At lang sa naibutang ito mga names sa prizes. So. Okay. Next trivia question. What are the colors of the rainbow? Name all the colors of the rainbow. Go. Oh, Vera is here.
Red, orange, yellow,
Where did you learn the colors of the rainbow? Uy,
I watch it in YouTube.
you watch YouTube, oh my God. So I think it is very important that we let our children watch YouTube. Oh, our next question. The next trivia question is, what is Annika's favorite color? What is Annika's favorite color? So, ang mama na ni Annika may nakabalo ani. Oh, we have the next contestant, Vera. What is the answer? The color is pink. Very good! Is your favorite color pink? Is your favorite color pink? Kuya, asa di operator ang music na to? Wala kita music. I need a background music. Ako saman. Okay, our next question. So Vera has two correct answers. Next, we're up for our fourth trivia question. Our fourth trivia question is, what is the complete name? What is the complete name? When I say complete, so first and last name and middle name of Annika's brother. What is the complete name of Annika's brother? Who can give me an answer? 10, 9, 8. Your brother's name is? What is your brother's name? What is your brother's name? Your brother's name. Who can give us Annika's brother's name? What is the answer? Huh? Uli makagive sa kuwan Annika's brother's name? Rafael! Ali, Apo. Come here, Apo. Kuya Apo, what is your can I answer? Siga Jill, what's the answer? Complete name including middle name.
Rafael Austin Makasero Murota.
Very good! Is that your complete name, Apo?
Yes.
Very good. So that you'll get another reward and prize. So 2 for Gadriel and 2 for Vera. Okay, next trivia question. This is going to be our 5th one. While waiting for our special guest. Asan na yung cellphone? Asan na yung cellphone? Our next trivia question is... What's the next trivia question? Our 5th trivia question is, what is the complete name of our birthday celebrant? Go! The complete name of our birthday celebrant. What is the complete name of our birthday? Wala mo kabalo? Hala, nangari mo dali, wala mo kabalo, i-cancel ang i-cancel ang Anika, way nakailan mo Anika. What's about sa imong birthday? So what is Annika's complete name? Who can give me an answer? Maria Veronica. Hala, walay answer, oy. Hala, dili mangaon ha, walay mangaon karon. Kay walay nakatubag. So what is the complete name of our birthday celebrant? Rafael, do you know the complete name of our birthday celebrant? Come here, po. Hala, wala siya maka-answer. Ano ikaw, ay nakailan mo? Yes, Vera, go. Huh? The complete name of our birthday celebrant. What is her complete name?
Veronica and Mawato.
Very good! Okay, we have another winner, and that's Vera. Sige, kay Annie. good. So, next trivia question is, what is, asa naman ni? Atong next trivia question.
Kantahin sa Just On.
Oh, wala ko tingog. Sige, kinsa may kuan. Kinsay mo render of intermission number while we are waiting for the guest. Who can render a song number for Anika Rai? While Anika Rai is still freshening herself up, freshening alam. Hindi na lang siya kinabi. Ay, balik mo ko sa kubang. Natawag dito. Wala siya. Ako ba? Ako ba na ano niya? Ibo ka? Kanang second chair. Sa left. Wala natulog pa ka itong birthday celebrant. So, di lang sa tabag-sabag-sabag. So, na siya mag-music-music di ay. I like to call the I'd like to call the technical operator of our music here. Ako din na siguro siya man. Sige daw na. Try that. Saka na siya number and then play. Ini siya lagi, ini siya. Ano naman na? So from our trivia question game, we have itong mga prizes. Prizes are won by Gajel, 2 prizes, and Vera 2 prizes. Oh, 3 na si Vera, no? 3 na si Vera. Sige, una pa ko another trivia question. I'm still thinking about the next trivia question. So Anika's birthday is exactly on March 17, 2025. And we're celebrating it today because it's a weekend. So for everybody's reference, we're just celebrating it 3 days before her birthday so that everybody will be gathered here. The families, Anika's friends, and also the special people of Anika's little heart. So, unsa naman na siya? So, one of our guests will be rendering a special talent, which is, ano ba yung mascot? Yung mascot na naman? Jollibee. Ikaw na siya pang Jollibee. It's 3:13 p.m. exactly, and we're still gonna be waiting for the rest of the visitors for Anika's birthday. And while we wait, can somebody try to offer any of your intermission number, maybe like a song number? Can you offer your talent of singing? Or do you think I should just offer? Or maybe I should just offer my talent. How about Kuan? How about Vera? Vera, do you want to sing something for your cousin? Cousin, di ba? Oo, cousin. What do you want to sing, man? Tukuan, Anika. Why are you so cold? Very cold kay si Vera. Maudi ay. Ato na lang ka dito na. Sige, what do you want to sing, man? Ako naman siya kabata. Kung sa ako'y bakanta niya dahil. This is what it sounds like. I don't think na anak siya kuan. Sige, another naman, kanang kuan. Kanang mga old song. Song man siya. Okay. You want to say happy birthday? Okay, go. Okay na ba na siya? Sige. Sige, sige. Pakita ka na dito tayo. Alright. So, are you very happy today, Vera?
Yes.
Are you happy and excited?
Yes.
You're happy and excited because?
I'm so excited to sing.
Oh, that is so good. I like the way you answer the question. It's very smart. It's so brief and it's very important. So while we're still waiting for our special guest, Vera here is going to be singing us a very lovely song that's coming from her heart. And the title is... One. Are you cold? Are you cold na? Cold na si Vera. Sige na, mag-wait ka kasi mukhang number, ha? So you're gonna be singing a song for your cousin. Do you love your cousin?
Yes.
What is your birthday wish for Anika? Your birthday wish for Anika is? To grow.
To go healthy.
Very good! Very, very good. Ikaw ba, Jill, ha? Mag-sing sa ka, Jill, ha? Nag-wait pa man tas mga guests. Sige. Sige, wait sa tas yung song, ha? Nana, is that ready, Aloysius?
3,
Not yet?
0, 0, 2.
Oh my God, look at yourself. Oh. We have 1,000 viewers right now through Facebook. 500,000